Thank you very much, Mr. President, respected teacher, honorable principal, professor, and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. I am happy to participate in this program. I feel proud enough that I am standing in front of intellectual mind and what is soul. I also feel gratitude that for the very first time I have the opportunity to share my view and the history of this college. And I sincerely hope that such programs will be arranged to explore the potentials of the student. Mr. President, the respected principal being the student of the college and being the member of the board family. Now I am going to express my view on a burning issue, privatization of education in my underdeveloping country, Pakistan. Respected sir, education is the backbone of every country, and quality education leads a country to the height of success and development. Every country spends their capital amount on education infrastructure as investment because they know the significance of education. And if one can understand the economic and industrial stability of this country, respected sir, education educates the people about the core religious norms, tradition, and improve the life structure of humanity. I beg to pardon that my country doesn't pay serious attention to our education. We look very relatively in the financial budget of the education sector. This is the reason that our university has lost the prime function of qualitative research. Our university are unable to face the salaries of the employees. Mr. President, on the other hand, the private education sector has been often violated with exploitation of the poor masses. Now, the government of Pakistan has set plan to privatize the government colleges, which is completely injustice with education and the poor people of Pakistan. Respected sir, I strongly condemn this rash decision by the government of Pakistan. This kind of thinking will push Pakistan into unemployment and corruption. This kind of thinking will close the doors of education for the poor people of Pakistan. The young youth readily is available for the terrorism, kidnapping, robbery, target killing, and other social crimes. Respected sir, I would conclude my speech with the request that the government should take back their decision and let the students have a chance to seek education free in these colleges and in this country. Finally, a heartfelt thanks to all the professors and lecturers here today and those who couldn't. I thank Sir Karim Khan for empowering our mind with more open